buddy? Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the video. Today is another beautiful day here in Calgary. No snow on the ground means all the birds are chirping, including this one. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Today, I gotta go over my finances. And I still have to rent a U-Haul so we can move the bigger furniture and do a junkyard run. Because there's also a lot of garbage, a lot of miscellaneous car parts, front bumpers and hoods that we have no cars to put them on anymore. So yeah, that's what I've been up to for the past couple of weeks, and that's why I've kind of been slow on the video uploadage, if that's even a word. Once that garage is out of my mind, it's just like one less stress I have to worry about. It's a huge payment that I don't have to worry about every month, and also I can allocate those funds into car parts or actual stuff that will benefit my business, because this is what I meant when I said I have to go over some of my finances. For the past couple of years, it's just been that Conor McGregor mindset where it's like,
I have an unhealthy obsession with spending money, but I have a healthy obsession with making it, so it's all good.
But then like, if you're financially illiterate and you don't know how to take care of your money, it comes and goes. Whereas I want it to be working for me and for my business. So this is why I'm like purging my cars and really figuring out what to prioritize in my life in terms of necessities and what I can get away with. Because I have never been a frugal person even till now, which is good and bad. So yeah, let's figure out our finances. What is my mom listening to? Good music choice. This is your rap name, okay? You are Lil Chili. Alexa, stop before I get copyright infringement.
I don't know that one.
Alexa, what is the answer to life?
The answer is 42, but the question is more complicated.
Alexa, who's the fairest in all the land?
Famed is thy beauty, majesty. But hold, a lovely maid I see. Rags cannot hide her gentle grace. Alas, she is more fair than thee.
Alexa, have a wonderful day, you.
No.
What?
Wonderful Day by Twice is in Chestnut, hero of Central Park, dropping evil, and winding roads.
What the heck?
How am I supposed to spend my days when all I want to do is feel, reaching out for something that is so real. Oh, I'm trying to heal.
Alright, we quickly grabbed a U-Haul, just a small van, because today we're actually also planning on doing a lot of transferring of old furniture and doing a junk run, getting rid of all the old car parts. Rohan, how are you, homie? How are you doing? I just brought him along for the ride, but we finished our finances, especially for the year. And one thing I'm terrible at is budgeting. I just know that there's funds coming in every month, but then like I don't properly organize exactly how it's allocated and where it's going. So that's kind of like, today was a humbling experience for me, seeing all the numbers physically on a sheet of paper and a spreadsheet. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly drop this guy off again. There's a whiteboard that I have to pick up at my parents' house, and then we can go to the new garage. And then also we're meeting somebody at the old shop because our RX-7 is actually, the FD is bought, and someone is picking it up today. We ended up getting just a van. Oh, thanks, Mom. By the way, this thing is not $20 plus kilometers and fees. This fees right here is like an extra $60 standard. Today's the last day we'll be seeing the FD on this channel, but not un FD on this channel. Maybe down the line we'll get another one. But this particular one, it isn't actually the same dude who came last month to check it out. That guy flaked, and then he started offering me even lower than my asking price. Whereas this new guy, he appreciates that it's an actual project and that it will take the perfect amount of love and attention to get her back to a cool, like, drivable state. I mean, it's drivable, but it was purposefully built as a drift missile, so it's not the most perfect FD out there, but it was one of the cheapest on the market available. And I still got my asking price, so everyone wins. We'll see you guys at the garage. But first...
Double?
Yep.
Anything else?
Do you guys have the vanilla cream puff donut still?
Let me check.
Sure.
Drive ahead, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Can't start a day without Timmy's. I know some of you Americans who have tried Timmy's say it's gross, but hey, Timmy's and coffee. You too, have a good day. We got our coughs. He's all set with his trailer. Okay, I'm just gonna park this. Man, had to do a little bit of labor, but those guys actually wanted to buy it as is what the photo looked like, so plus the wheels. Whereas I was actually planning on selling these separately, but yeah. So we took the side skirts off, front bumpers off. It actually looks pretty badass like that. Not gonna lie. Put that down. Damn. Last time you'll see this thing on this channel, okay? Oh, I'm so sad. Okay, I'm gonna go deposit this bank draft. Oh, perfect. Yeah, feel free to.
Do you still have the paper for how to turn it off by chance?
I do. It's actually in that little box.
Okay.
There's a little flash frame. So everything's good, guys. I have one more parting gift.
Oh, badass. Thanks, man.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. All right. They're definitely gonna need a new battery, but this is just to get everything started. Good. Dude, that would be sweet. Hopefully, man. Yeah. Well, safe travels, guys.
Yeah.
I'll get one for the vlog. Pleasure. Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, take care. Sweet. And that's that, guys. RX-7 is gonzo. Woo. Just like that, guys. Oh, bye, RX-7. Oh! Oh no!
No, what the?
It's like what? It just left, bro.
It's just gone. Just like that one.
No.
It's okay. One JZ and a JZX with an R154 in the future.
Coming up for this guy's channel. Follow him, follow him.
Hey, it's a dream car of mine, you know? I want JZ cars.
True. That was yeah. No, that thing was beautiful. But hey, I know it's going to someone who's gonna treat it with the utmost of respect. So, yeah, thanks for coming, bro.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Preach. Yeah, we're just loading this thing up. Oh, that was one thing. Yo, steak dinner on me! Actually, I gotta be more smart with my finances.
Friendly, my friends.
Yes. It's not called being cheap, it's called being thrifty. Yeah. From now on, I had to make a U-turn. Okay, this guy has a plan for the FC. Maybe we won't get rid of that. We're gonna throw a Honda engine in that thing?
Yeah, so I want to put a Honda motor, like a K-Series motor in it.
Yeah.
And then so like the K-Series motor will only like, let's say, be like this big.
Yeah.
And then put it right against the firewall, and then yeah, we could V-mount intercooler, V-mount ride, and then put a BMW trans in it, so a ZF, and those are really good for holding power and good for swaps because they're really small, they're about yay big. And then yeah, put that custom drive shaft, clean her up, and then she should be running. And then probably get like a good interior for it.
Okay, it looks like you have a plan for this thing.
Yeah, I've been thinking about it like dead center.
Deal.
Oh yeah.
Shook on it. This is your problem now.
So subscribe to Sunny Visions. You'll see this on my channel and a bunch of other builds. And fuck, I need money, man.
Getting there. All of this is junk. Just on that side is anything we're going to be bringing to the new garage. Pretty much taking down everything. So got to take down the flags, repaint the stairs white, take down the TVs, get rid of this thing. Well, actually, this has a new home now. Everyone follow Sunny. All right.
Happy dump days.
Yeah, no kidding. Woo! Gotta get rid of some stuff. All right, brother. Let's do this. This is my contribution.
Now is the time where you get to smash shit.
Man, your hood, seriously? Alright, alright. And too bad. They say you can't salvage anything here, but that right there would have been so perfect for the XD.
Here, how far can you throw it?
Shot put?
Freeze.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, what the hell?
Doesn't really go that.
Scion? What's this from? Damn! Shane's just throwing away full IPL kits. Look at that thing. What a beast.
Under the wheel.
Nice try.
I don't really go that well.
That's it, guys. Damn. Like perfectly good. Ah, whatever. Garbage. That actually would have been perfect for a mini like XB sink. Whatever. Let's get out of here. All right, man. Good job, Jib. No, it's garbage. Aw, just kids. I've never actually been to this landfill. It's pretty cool.
My dad works here, dude.
It literally said that on the sign. I was gonna bring that up. I'm like,
dad works here?
Yeah, the sign says slow down. Your dad works here.
Oh, one of those things.
Honestly, I was expecting to get one of the bigger U-Hauls with the mom's attic or the grandma's attic, whatever you call it. It's that little nook that goes above the passenger and driver. But this is the best we can do. Sometimes you just gotta play Tetris. Nice. Nice dice. Oh, what the? Yeah, you're right. Bobby's driving that thing right now. How's the hood?
Can you move your backpack, please? I can't see the mirror.
Huh? Oh, you're right.
What a dick, right?
Oh,
You have to
dick.
say it like that.
Yeah, your approach could have been nicer, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I see you, goods.
You too.
Right, be back at the shop. Just gotta do a little bit of rearranging. And also, I think I found a perfect spot for the sign. Just like put it up there or something. Okay, for now, that we are gonna start unwrapping tomorrow. You guys have my word. Yeah, so all of this stuff, I'm just gonna try to move what I can from this side to the other side to give us as much room for all of our furniture to go. Think like a desk, one of the cabinet systems, and one of the smaller 4-tier shelves. Yo, do you need help actually? Yo! Freaking rude boy. Pretty much just gotta rearrange this. That's all. I wish life were like that. You know what? Yeah, I'll probably come back to do this when I'm feeling a little more energetic. But for now, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I can't believe we sold the RX-7 today. Actually, a couple of days ago, we did sell the Celica as well. If you don't follow me on the Instagram, now you know. But the new owners told me, or I told them that I had 2 more things I wanted to install on the Celica to get content out of before letting it go to them, and they're totally cool with it. So yeah, that's 2 cars gone in the next week or so. Sad, but onto bigger and better things, and those funds can definitely be used for business related stuff and getting out of debt and crypto and stocks, a lot of different investments that can go to. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Peace. Damn, guys, just like that. Drop those tires off somewhere, those shells can be tossed, and that RX-7 is going to Sunny. Guys, I can't believe it. 5 years. Just like that.